Do you want to speak with more authority on the stage? Do you want to bring gravitas to every presentation you give? In which case, here are some tips that will really help. Bring control to the stage. By control, I mean control your energy. Control the room, quite frankly. If you're nervous, there's a tendency for the adrenaline to mean that you want to fidget, to move around, to dance on the spot. Control it. People with gravitas just look cool, calm, collected, controlled. You also need to control a room. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going around looking at everybody and just keeping them in their place. But as speaker, you actually do control the room. You control the mood, you control the energy. So for example, if somebody interrupts, it doesn't faze you, it doesn't throw you off. You just deal with the interruption, whether that's answering a question or politely shutting someone down, and then you carry on. So control is important, but you also need to bring passion and conviction. If you don't have passion and conviction about your topic, why on earth should your audience? You need to think about how are you going to bring that passion and conviction to your presentation. It's going to be in your body language. It's going to be in the words you choose. It's going to be in the attitude you use. You've got to be passionate. Even if you think your content is perhaps a little dull, a little dry, something that people don't want to hear, you've still got to bring passion. You've still got to bring conviction. Because if an audience get a whiff that you don't have conviction about what you're saying, or you're not passionate about your topic, they will switch off very fast. So you've got to bring conviction, passion, control. You've got to bring energy as well. That's where a lot of this sort of thing comes from. Your energy will say, I am passionate, I care about this, I care about you, I care about us, I care about our business. Bring that in your body language. Bring it in your language. Just use that word, I care. Use a few superlatives. You don't want to exaggerate, but make sure you're talking in really positive and glowing terms about whatever your topic is. Be excited about it. Do not open your presentation with the words, I'm sorry, I think this might be a bit dull, or I know you don't want to hear this. It will undercut any gravitas right from the word go, and it is virtually impossible to get it back. So, control, passion, conviction. Bring those to your presentation, and you are well on the way to having gravitas. If you want more tips about bringing gravitas to your presentation, do like and subscribe, and come back next time for more.